Hello and welcome to an impromptu video by L N Autocare. As you can see, I've woken up this morning to my car being covered in dust from the Sahara. I'm going to show you in just 2 easy steps of how to remove it safely, as it isn't just dust but sand, which is an abrasive and has the ability to scratch and damage your paint. The first step I'm doing is rinsing the car down. This will help remove a bulk of the dust. Step 2, I'm now using one of my favourite snow foams from DVS Performance. I'm using this product as it is a pre-cleaner and a snow foam 2-in-1, so it makes this step much easier than having to apply a pre-cleaner and then having to apply a snow foam on top. As you can see, the car is now back to where you could go ahead and do a mechanical wash. I hope you enjoyed the spur of the moment video, and I'll see you on the next one.